So as you can see guys, our fear is turning into reality because the price of Bitcoin has dropped below $20,000. Now what to expect next? Because if you have watched my video from yesterday, I made it very clear. I showed you in a bigger scale in a daily time frame with different scenarios why the price of Bitcoin could see further retracement towards this 15,000, 16,000 before starting this new market phase. And now since we are clearly below this 20,000, what to expect next? Those who have been following me for a while, you saw this coming. I mean, I warned you. This June month CPI was a narrow CPI, and narrow CPI usually indicates volatility is coming. And also along with that, we found out this Bollinger Band squeeze was indicating we could be seeing some massive move in this June month. And as soon as the price broke the lower band around this 28,000, 29,000 area, what happened after that? You can see we started this downward rally in a bigger pace. So now, according to the CPR, since the price of Bitcoin is below this monthly S1 line, right, below this $24,700, $24,750, now the next potential target is sitting around $17,755. So that's why this 17,000 is going to be our upcoming price target for Bitcoin, because yesterday we were seeing that the price of Bitcoin was holding its ground around this lower line area from the descending channel. In the past price action, you can see holding the line around this lower line area has led to some sort of a relief rally. That's why we were also expecting if the price in a daily is going to close above this lower line area from the descending channel, then we are also going to see some sort of a relief rally. But now if we look at this daily candle, we are clearly below it. It doesn't mean the trend is going to see a retracement here in this manner. Please be careful. We had some fake outs here as well around this lower line area, but somehow price did manage to come across it and consolidate it before choosing an actual trend direction. So that's why I am patiently going to wait whether this daily candle is going to close below 20,000 or not. Because if we are going to close below 20,000, then this descending channel support line is going to get broken, invalidated, and then we could be slowly heading towards this lower price target from this monthly S2 line, which is sitting around 17,700 price area. If you also look at this MACD here in a daily time frame, this is a bearish MACD cross. RSI line is also below 50 level, indicating the trend here is weakening. And not just only this guys, even if you look at this in a bigger time frame, let me show you this interesting chart. So those who have been following me for a while, we have talked about this 1, 2, 3 reversal or dead cat bounce type of scenario. According to this dead cat bounce scenario, each and every time the price of Bitcoin has broken the support, the horizontal support, after that we have seen price retracement, and this price retracement always ended right beside this black swan event. It always ended after falling the exact length from the bottom line till the top. So if this exact scenario is going to unfollow, we have said we could be seeing further retracement towards the 17, 18,000 before showing any sort of a consolidation. So that's why also here in a bigger time frame, you can see the lower price target is around 17 to 18,000. So this 18, 17,000 here in the immediate short term is going to be the target from this monthly S2 line, and also target from this ABC reversal or dead cat bounce type of scenario. Not just only this guys, not just only this, let me also show you this bear flag, which unfortunately is playing right now. Now before I switch into other chart, I just want to make you aware Bybit is organizing this event WSOT race to the next level with a prize pool up to 8 million USDT. I am taking part. If you want to be part of my community and trade along with me, then do join this squad, because if you join as a squad member, then they will ask you to write the name. Which squad leader are you going to choose? So if you want to choose me as a squad leader, then our group name is Piranha. Piranha, because you know, Piranha never hunts alone. So that's why I chose this name. So if you want to be part of the Piranha community, then do join it here. It's a very simple process. The link is provided in the description down below. So if you have watched my video from yesterday, we did talk about this bear flag because we have found out each and every time in a downtrend, the price of Bitcoin has followed this ascending channel. After breaking the support at the lower line area, we continued this downtrend. Similar thing happened here as well. When we were following this ascending channel in a downtrend. As soon as we lost the support, we continued this downtrend. And yesterday, I also included if we are going to see support at this lower line area from the descending channel, then just like here, right? Just like here, we could be actually expecting some sort of a relief rally to happen before price chooses an actual trend direction. But in our case, as you can see, this did not last it longer. So that's why this continuation is happening. So we are desperately waiting to see where price of Bitcoin first is going to find an actual support. Is it going to be around this 18,000 or is it going to be around this 15 to 16,000 area? So as long as we are going to remain below 20,000, this is a clear sign of danger. Not just only Bitcoin today, let me also give you a quick update on Ethereum price action. So for Ethereum, I am going to keep it very simple. I shared this one chart on 26th of May on my Twitter account. For those individuals who are unaware of my Twitter account, it's Crypto Anup. Feel free to follow me there. You can see, guys, I shared this one chart which was indicating a clear dead cat bounce type of scenario here in a weekly time frame when the price of Ether was around $1,800. I warned you that if this is going to continue, which was looking exactly like this dead cat bounce scenario, you can see price retracement, finding support around this 0.2 area, and then this relief rally or so-called dead cat bounce, getting retracement up to 50%, just like I shown in the example, rejection, and then following this original trend. And right now, as you can see, the price of Ether is holding its ground around this $900 to $1,000. So that's why, guys, will this retrace further from here on? Because if we look at this here, right, in a very simple way, what we can also do, we can add this falling trend line here in this manner. I mean, if you simply follow this price action, right, you can see this actually looks like a very nice head and shoulder type of formation, isn't it? Head and shoulder type of formation, which is also clearly indicating the neckline has already been broken. So since the neckline has already been broken, and if this is going to continue here to the downside, this head and shoulder type of formation, we have to be very careful, guys, because in that case, you can see in that case, the price of Ether could be showing a bigger retracement where we could be getting gravitated towards this 400 price range. So that's why this 400 area between this range is where we could be possibly getting gravitated, because if you look at this confluence area, the next confluence support, the first one was around this 1,200, 1,400, which we broke, and now the next confluence area is around 700 to 800, and then finally around this 400 ranges. So that's why now you can see, guys, this is what I see could be playing out here in price action of Ethereum. I mean, a continuation pattern here towards this 700, 800, and in the worst case scenario, even around this 400 to 500 range. So this is what I see right now, looking at the price action of Ethereum, looking at the price action of Bitcoin. I wish I could show you some hopium chart, but I have to be realistic. So I am showing you exactly what I see looking at this chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then do destroy that like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.